In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email signature in Zoho Workforce. Let's dive right into it and make sure your emails look professional and convey just the right touch of personalization. First, you'll want to navigate to your Zoho CRM homepage. From this starting point, everything is just a few clicks away. On your screen, you should see the Setup menu, usually located at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all the magic happens, giving you the tools to customize various settings to fit your workflow. Once you're in the Setup section, look for the option that says Email. You'll probably find this option under a section related to communication or configuration, given Zoho's user-focused design, which makes it pretty intuitive. By selecting Email, you're stepping into the realm of email configurations, where you can manage how your email clients communicate and interact. Now it's time to zero in on the option that says Add New Signature. This is your gateway to creating a memorable sign-off for your emails. Clicking here will bring up a form that you need to fill out. But don't worry, it's just a simple one. In the first field, you'll be asked to input a signature name. This is just how you'll identify this particular signature within Zoho Workforce, so choose something descriptive, especially if you plan to create multiple signatures later on. Next, you'll need to choose an email address. Zoho lets you associate different signatures with different addresses, which is handy if you're managing multiple accounts or roles. Simply select the email address you wish to pair with this signature from the drop-down list. After selecting your email, it's time to design your signature. In the given space, input your email signature. Think about what information is vital. You might want to include your full name, your position, your company's name, and contact information like a phone number or an alternative email. If applicable, you could also insert links to your professional social media profiles. Remember, the key here is to look professional and remain concise. Satisfied with your new virtual signature? Great. Now move your cursor over to the Save button. Don't skip this crucial step. By saving, you ensure that all your hard work is not lost and that your signature will pop up every time you compose a new email through Zoho Workforce. And there you have it. You've now successfully added an email signature in Zoho Workforce. Remember, your email signature is like the digital seal of your personal brand, so make sure it conveys your professionalism and puts forth the vibe you want.